Alright, so today I'm going to demonstrate the burpee without a push-up. Now this is basically a tuck jump with a little extra jump, just like in our burpee at the end. But we take out the push-up version, which is, or not the version, but the push-up aspect of it that so many people tend to have a little trouble with when starting out with burpees. Okay, this is amazing for cardio if you ever want to give it a shot. So we're going to go down, push-up position. We're not actually going into the push-up, so you're basically in a full plank, and we're going to do a tuck jump, okay? So the tuck jump, we're going to pull our knees inwards, land on both feet, make sure heels are planted, and then we're going to jump. That's all it takes, okay? Tuck in, jump. Now, I broke that down a little bit into two motions, but ideally we're going to put those together and move a little more fluidly. And that is our burpee with no push-up. Thanks for watching.